There are some months back then when Tanzanian music was very popular in East Africa and even in Africa, particularly Kenya. But right now you find that the Tanzanian music is not being played a lot in many or major radio stations. And the reasons why you find that the Tanzanian music has gone literally down is because also there has been call for many of like Kenyans, of course, calling for their own music, like local songs, to be played in radio stations, not just promoting international music. There's a time even Nigerian music were being played a lot on Kenyan radio stations, and plus South African music. But then Kenyans made these cries, of course, uh, criticizing these radio stations and TV channels for playing too much of foreign music. And right now you find they're playing mostly Kenyan music, not with a mix, of course, of a little bit of Tanzania and, of course, the Nigerian music. But again, let's look at Tanzania. Tanzania's music has really gone down lately because of, especially after the election of Samia Suluhu, because most of them became partisan. Most of them represented the ruling party, the Chama cha Mapinduzi, CCM of Samia Suluhu. And of course, they were even participating, some even performing in some of their campaign rallies. And when the chaos happened in Tanzania, whereby the authorities were blamed for, of course, attacking the opposition and even unaliving some of them, jailing some of them, some of these musicians went into hiding. The likes of Diamond went into hiding. Many other musicians, and of course, even their popularity has really gone down in Eastern Africa and, of course, leave alone Tanzania. So that's why you find even Tanzanians themselves are not celebrating them that much, because, again, charity begins at home. And for your music to even go further, you must be very popular at home. And that's how even help propel your popularity out there. Kenya's too, of course, were kind of like linked with Tanzania, and of course they saw what happened, and therefore these rallies against this musician to boycott some of their music were quite loud at one given point. And that's why you find the likes of Diamond Platinum, the likes of even Harmonize. Their music is, I can't say it's fading out, but the popularity has really gone down. They're not topping the charts as before. So and right now you find sometimes even some Kenyan musician topping the charts for a whole week. But before, you remember it was always Diamond, Zuchu, Harmonize, and the rest who are always topping the charts. But right now, they're being given, there's a competition, of course. So that's how musicians, of course, sometimes, of course, musicians, we can't say that they will be popular forever. And things change overnight. And yes, maybe it is time for even the likes of Kenya to celebrate their local music rather than, of course, music from diaspora.